Hi, our group was assigned with completing the nurses problem for this year's capstone project. To do this, we made an application using .NET MAUI, and the application lets you see an employee screen, an upper management screen, and a senior management screen. The employee screen lets you see the employee schedule, along with what the department they're in and what time they are scheduled at. This screen lets you toggle week view to see multiple weeks at the same time, or just do it one by one, and lets you press import directory to import a CSV file that lets you check the schedule. You can also search by employee name here, or for testing purposes, we have random employee button that lets you quickly cycle through employees just to make sure everything works. It tells you the employee name and the employee role right here. And you can toggle weeks or week view. The upper management screen shows you how many people are in each department per shift and whether or not it is optimally staffed, overstaffed, or understaffed. You can check this by going to change department, pediatrics, neurology, radiology, oncology, emergency, cardiology, ICU, psychiatry, gynecology, and orthopedics. This also has a toggle week view button right here. And as you can see, the orthopedics department is all optimally staffed. And for example, like on Monday, first shift, so 12 a.m. to 8 a.m., there are 2 people working, and that is the ideal amount for that certain staff time. The senior upper management screen is used to get the 5 slices that we require for this department to see the different like schedules. So for instance, if I go to pediatrics and I want to see nurses in pediatrics, this is an employee list of all the nurses in the pediatrics, and then you can click through them, and we can, using this key right here, this is the same schedule as before, but using this key right here, you can see that for Monday, 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. first shift, they are in a different department and the same role, which means that they aren't in pediatrics department. However, they are a nurse. And I think if we search through the menu, we can see that they are in radiology, which means that this was correct. And if you scroll down here, you get a similar thing. This was our project. We accomplished the goals that we set out to do using a linear algebra solution and a neural network solution, where whenever you input directory, it picks the best one, and it will show you the result. Thank you for listening.